Equipped for work. Everything for your workplace. Karbon wooden mobile under-desk pedestals. Assembly guide. If you have ordered the 2-drawer pedestal, you will get 1 2-drawer pedestal, 4 40mm handle screws, 2 drawer handles, 16 16mm caster screws, 2 keys, 2 standard casters, 2 locking casters, and 2 filing rods. If you have ordered the 3-drawer pedestal, you will get 1 3-drawer pedestal, 6 40mm handle screws, 16 16mm caster screws, 3 drawer handles, 2 keys, 2 standard casters, 2 locking casters. You'll also need a Phillips crosshead screwdriver. To start, safely remove all of the drawers from the 3-drawer pedestal. The filing drawer on the 2-drawer pedestal should not be removed. Next, carefully turn the pedestal upside down. Using 8 of the 16mm caster screws, attach the 2 standard casters to the back of the pedestal like this. Using the remaining 8 16mm caster screws, attach the 2 locking casters to the front of the pedestal, like this. Now carefully turn the pedestal the right way up. Unscrew the handles from the inner side of the drawers and attach the handles to the front of each drawer using the 40mm handle screws. Now insert the pedestal box drawers. Before inserting the top drawer into position, make sure the key to the drawer lock is turned fully to the right. If you have a 2-drawer pedestal, open the filing drawer and place the filing rods into the desired position. The filing rods can be placed to accommodate both A4 and foolscap sized files. And there you have it. Your new Karbon mobile under-desk pedestal is ready to use. From Equipped for Work. Everything for your workplace.